The European Parliament. The European Parliament is one of the three legislative institutions of the European Union which, together with the Council of the European Union, is tasked with the amending and approving the Commission proposal. The 705 members of the European Parliament are directly elected by European citizens every 5 years on the basis of the proportional representation. MEPs are elected on a national basis and they still sit according to the political groups rather than their nationality. Each country has a set number of seats and it's divided into sub-national constitutions, whereas this does not affect the proportional national nature of the voting system. In the ordinary legislative procedure, the European Commission proposed legislation which requires the joint approval of the European Parliament and the Council of the European Union to pass. This process applies to nearly all areas, including the European budget. The Parliament is the final body to approve or reject the proposed membership of the Commission and can attempt motion of the censure on the Commission by appeal to the Court of Justice. The President of the European Parliament carries out the role of the Speaker in Parliament and represents it extremely. The President and the Vice President are elected by the MEPs every 2.5 years. The European Council gives political direction to the European Union. It convenes at least 4 times a year and comprises the President of the European Union, the President of the European Commission, and 1 representative per member states. The higher representatives of the European Union for foreign affairs and security policy also takes part in its meeting. It has been described by some as the Union's supreme political authority. It is actively involved in the negotiation of the treaty change and defines the European Union policy agenda and strategies. The European Council uses its leadership role to sort out the disputes between the member states and the institution and to resolve the political crisis and disagreements over controversial issues and policies. It acts externally as a collective head of the state and ratified important documents. Tasks for the President of the European Council are ensuring the external representation of the European Union, driving consensus and resolving the divergence among member states both during meetings of the European Council and over the period between them. The European Council should not be mistaken for the Council of Europe, an international organization independent of the European, based in the Strasbourg. European Commission. The European Commission acts both as the European executive arm's responsibilities for the day-to-day running of the European Union and also the legislative initiator with the sole power to propose laws for debate. The Commission is guardian of the treaties and is responsible for their efficient operation and policing. It operates de facto as a cabinet government with the 27 commissioners for different areas of the policy, 1 from each member state. Though the commissioners are bound to represent the interest of the European Union as a whole rather than their home state. One of the 27 is the President of the European Commission, appointed by the European Council, subject to the Parliament approval. After the President, the most prominent commissions is the higher representative of the European Union for the foreign affairs and security policy, who is ex officio Vice President of the Commissions and is also chosen by the European Council. The other 26 commissioners are subsequently appointed by the Council of the European Union in agreement with the nominated President. These 27 commissioners as a single body are subjected to approval by vote of the European Parliament. The Council of the European Union. The Council of the European Union forms on 1/2 of the European Union legislature. It consisted of the government minister from each member states and meets in different composition depending on the policy areas being addressed. And notwithstanding its different configurations, it is considered to be one single body. In addition to its legislative functions, the Council also exercises executive function in relation to the common foreign and security policies. In some policies, there are several member states that ally with the strategic partners within the Union. Example of such alliances includes the Visegrad Group, Benelux and Baltic Assemblies, the New Hanseatic League and the Croatia Group.